Hi, 大家好, welcome to 5 Idea Chinese class. I'm Doris. In the last video, we have already learned how to say hello in Chinese. Do you still remember that? The first one, the most common way to say hello is 你好. And if we want to show our respect, we can say 您好. And if we see more people, we can say 大家好. Good morning is 早上好. And if we see our friends after a long time, we can say 好久不见. And these are what we say when we meet someone. Today we're going to learn how to say bye when we leave. The first one is bye-bye. Bye-bye is from English, so when we say this, we can just pronounce it naturally, just like English. And also, we can say 再见. 再见 sounds a little more polite and formal than bye-bye, so we can use this when we meet someone who is not so close to us. And next one, 明天见. 明天 means tomorrow. 明天见 is see you tomorrow. So we can use this when we leave from work. And also we can use any other time before 见, such as 下午见 or 晚上见. And this one, 慢走. 慢走 is often used when the host seeing guests off. Literally, 慢走 means walk slowly, but actually, 慢走 means be safe, take care. So next time, just try 慢走 when your guests are leaving. Okay, the last one, good night. How to say good night in Chinese? We can say 晚安. Okay, these are the 5 expressions we learned today. Let's take a look again. The first one, bye-bye. The second one, 再见. See you tomorrow. 明天见. When your guests are leaving, 慢走. Good night. 晚安. Okay, that's all for today. In the next video, we will learn some personal pronouns. Okay, thanks for watching. 再见.